Hi.
Hi, Juliana. How are you?
Not so great, Kim. I got all these products that I got from the mall, and honestly, they're not really helping. So I came here because I know you guys are great with recommending the best products.
Absolutely. Thank you for giving us a chance. I think I know exactly what you need. Give me just a moment. So we're going to do a little spring cleaning, which is the theme for April. I want to set you up for a good summer and good skincare. We're going to start with our vitamin C pads. These are going to help to prevent hyperpigmentation. These will brighten the skin, these will soften the skin, and just keep you looking really glowy. I want you to use a kojic brightener made from mushrooms. This will help to offset any freckling or hyperpigmentation. It's based with hyaluronic, which is really plumping and yummy. And last but not least, this will give you a barrier. This is our rosehip dry oil. This is great for protecting your skin, brightening your skin, and lots of antioxidants. The best part is it's spring cleaning month, which means we can give you an exchange of 15% off these 3 products for bringing back your unwanted. How does that sound?
I'm so excited. Thank you.
You're welcome. Enjoy your skin.